130 minus 500, ilan? Hello guys, meron kaming tatry ngayon. Sana may umorder na para... Oo, para di sayang yung camera. Wala bang order dyan? Thank you. Yes. This is our secret menu. The overload. Overflow. The breakfast. Okay, alright. That's a total phone 60 lang.
Huh? Are you sure?
Okay.
I am very sure.
I will not say no.
Thank you for accepting. How much?
Open tab pala for Miss B.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Generous.
Pwede bang ganun na lang?
Gusto mo, I can just list it out for now and then para di cut-cut.
Yeah. Sige.
Ubus na yung English namin. Magbabay ka kay sir. Ube? Dirty? Dirty?
Ube ka? Di ba?
Coffee. Ano? Oo, ibang level yan. Sa'yo kesong puti. Yung puti ube. Nakapag-grind na ako. Meron ka na ito ah. I-warm ko. Nang sausage, yes.
Ay, wow.
All day breakfast. Wag lang yun. Ha?
Pumayat ka.
Thank you. Can you say it in the camera?
Pumayat ka. Ba't dalawa na yung order niya?
Yung pang decaf.
May decaf ka.
Papagrab natin later. Na kettle. May thermometer yun.
Meron.
Oo. I think. Oo, alam ko meron. And then, if you also want, meron akong thermometer sa bahay na timer. Oo, yun yung mga una kong bili. Yes. Kamusta?
Maybe
He's going naman.
he's not going. Maybe.
Search special. Okay. Take out. Okay.
Sir, wala po itong cinnamon, no?
Wala pa. Okay, kay sir pala. 130 minus 500, ilan? Thank you. Dilan, wala na tayong panukli.